Is he a good dinosaur or a bad dinosaur?
A good dinosaur.
What's his name?
I'm Ricky.
Ricky?
Yeah.
Ricky, don't lose that number. Alright, I'm super excited today. We have the 3D Skeleton Excavation Kit. It's gonna be nuts.
Yeah.
What do we have here?
That's good. It's each bone we can find.
Are all the different bones we can find?
Yeah.
Ooh.
That means we can. This dinosaur here.
That's the dinosaur we're gonna be looking for today?
Yes.
Excellent. What kind of dinosaur is that?
And a Triceratops.
A what?
A Triceratops.
A Triceratops?
Yeah, that will. And then open it.
You wanna open it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Open. Help me.
Do you want help?
I need help.
Let's go. It's got some tape here.
Get him out. Get out.
It's well packaged, huh, bud?
Yeah.
Alright, I got him free. Lachlan, are you ready to play?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, and once we get the bones out, we find all the different pieces and put it together, and then we'll have a functioning Triceratops skeleton. Does that sound exciting, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't hear you. A little bit louder.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
How excited are you? Show me. That's an excited kiddo. Oh. All right, bud. So, big disclaimer. Lachlan,
Yeah.
this is hard, huh?
Yeah.
What could be in there? What do you think?
I don't know.
I think there might be dinosaur bones.
Yes.
But we have these tools, and some of them are sharp. So we want to be very careful with these sharp tools and get the dinosaur bones out. So, Lachlan,
Yeah.
Daddy's gonna help you with this one, okay?
Okay.
We have this hammer. I think you should use the hammer to hit the chisel. So, this is gonna be a big trust exercise. Lachlan, why don't we
Yeah.
hit right here? Look at that trust. Look at that trust. Woo, he's driving it in. The screwdriver and hammer approach are definitely working better. Ooh, what do we find here? More bones!
My bones.
More bones!
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Let's keep doing it.
Should we keep digging?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Lachlan, we've made progress. What have we found?
Let's get out.
Ooh, there's more. Oh, use the brush. Let's show people. You want to use the brush? You do it. Ooh, I think that we might have found the skull. Do you think that's a skull? What do you think?
It's great.
Awesome.
Yeah. Let's get to work again now.
Let's get to work.
Let's get out.
What do we find?
Bones.
Look at that. Look how big it is. Lachlan, do you want to use your
Yeah.
scraper?
Yeah. Let's get
So
out.
exciting! Woohoo!
Let's get out.
Lachlan, brush it off. I think we might have our first breakthrough. Can you pull that bone out? Use your hands. Was it loose enough?
No.
Oh, no. Almost. Oh, look, you freed the whole thing. Look at that. What'd you just look at that? Whoa, we found a bone.
I got out with my hand.
You got it out with your hands? You know, hands are like the most useful tools we can have.
Look.
All right, let's put it back. And let's continue to dig. Lachlan,
Yeah.
what just happened?
We found a break right here.
We broke it into 2 pieces. That's a big milestone in this excavation adventure.
Let's get out.
Let's get it out. All right, let's keep working on it. Wow, that's so cool. What do you think, Richie?
Yeah.
Wow, you guys are super good. Thanks for helping me, Lachlan.
You're welcome.
Daddy's gonna use superhuman strength. Up. Oh, we don't want to break it. We come too far. Can't rush it. Lots and lots of plaster. All right. Whoa, dude! look at this. Look at the where the bones were. Look at all the patterns you can see. Dude, check that out. We're almost done. Look at all of that.
Yeah.
Hi, Richie. How you doing, man?
Good.
Oh, good. Oh, look at that. How cool. Get all the pieces in there so we can wash off the rest of the plaster. I thought this would be better than putting it in the sink. We'll see what happens. All right, Ricky. We got some clean bones. And when we get the clean bones, we're gonna put them over here to dry. Yep. Nice and clean. Oh, hang on, buddy. Hang on. Slow your roll, bro. Slow your roll. All right. Are these all clean?
Yeah.
I'll take them.
But
Raw. I think that we have everything. Oh, we missed the jaw.
Yeah.
There we go. Oop, and we gotta clean this guy out a little bit more, but that's okay. Tail portion. Up, hip, hip. Still a little bit of plaster there. Don't judge me.
Don't judge me. Don't judge me.
There we go.
Judge me.
Lachlan, I need the other rib cage. Can you get the other rib cage, sir?
This one.
You got it? Yes. All right, can you put it on top? How does it go? How do you think it should go on
You
there?
do it.
I do it?
Yes.
Very good delegation skills. You're gonna be great middle management. The centerpiece.
The center.
We literally have the backbone together. Awesome. All right, next, sir. We need to put together the arms of the dinosaur. How do we put together the front arms? I think the front arms would be shorter than the back arms. What do you think? Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Let's try that. It's a hypothesis because I don't actually know. It did work. The front arms are shorter. See, here's a front arm and there's a back arm. The back's a lot longer. There we go. We got 2 hands. Lachlan, what's better than 2 hands on a dinosaur? How about 4 feet? Let's put his back legs on.
Yeah.
Do you really want like that? All right. Dude, Ricky, what do we need? We need put a head on that. Uh-oh. Daddy didn't follow instructions. I think we needed to put that on before. Lachlan, are we missing anything?
Yes.
What are we missing?
This.
The jaw. All right, let's put his teeth in. Sir, would you like your dentures back?
You did.
And through video magic, he now has a jaw.
Boing, boing, boing.
Lachlan, we did it. Highest high fives you've ever seen. High five, higher. Can you get me? Can you get it? Can you get, oh, yeah, I'm so excited. You gotta get even higher. You gotta get even higher. Yeah, woohoo! Awesome! Was this fun, Lachlan?
Yeah, and let's do another one.
You wanna do another one?
Yeah.
Maybe we should do another one with another video. What do you think?
Yeah, let's put this guy right here.
What do you call a dinosaur with no eyes?
Lucky.
Do you think he saw us?
No.
Oh, is that not good?
Yeah.